In this video, we'll walk you through how to enable Geocodio Maps for your enterprise account and how to configure map sharing for your team. To enable maps, log into your enterprise dashboard at dash.enterprise.geocode-eo. Click on your name and email address in the lower left corner to open the menu. Select the Team tab to navigate to your team settings. On the Team page, you'll find a section called Team Settings with an Enable button for Maps. Click Enable and the Maps tab will be added to your dashboard automatically. Once you've enabled Maps, any team members associated with your enterprise account will automatically have access to Maps as well. Please be aware that enabling Maps is a permanent change and cannot be reversed. Once Maps is enabled, navigate to the new Maps tab on your dashboard and click Create Map to get started. You can create a map from any spreadsheet with up to 100,000 rows. Keep in mind that enterprise spreadsheet uploads are typically retained for 72 hours. However, if you create a map from a spreadsheet, that spreadsheet will be retained until the map is deleted. For detailed guidance on creating and customizing maps, check out our additional maps tutorials. By default, all maps are private. Since enterprise customers often work with sensitive data, sharing must be manually permitted by the admin. After enabling maps, you'll see a new Allow Public Map setting in Team Settings. When enabled, your team can share and embed maps they create. Even with public maps allowed, each map remains private by default. Sharing settings must be changed individually, and you'll be asked to confirm before any map becomes public. The admin can disable public maps at any time. That's how you enable and configure Geocodio Maps for your enterprise account. Log into your enterprise dashboard to get started. Visit Geocodio for more information.